Meter bridge. Dear students, practical device to use Wheatstone bridge is called as meter bridge. Let us learn in detail about meter bridge. The meter bridge is consisting of wire of length 1 meter of uniform cross section which is clamped between two metallic strips bent at right angles. Metallic strips have two gaps in which resistors are to be connected. The two endpoints where wire is clamped is connected with battery and key. One end of galvanometer is connected to metallic strip while other is connected to sliding jockey. Jockey is metallic rod whose one end is knife edge which slides over wire to make an electrical connection. Let R be a known resistance connected across one of gaps and S be the known standard resistance connected across the gap. Jockey is connected to some point D at distance L from point A. Let RCM is the resistance of wire per unit centimeter. Therefore, resistance of wire of length L is RCM into L. Similarly, portion DC of wire has resistance RCM into bracket 100 minus L. 4 arms AB, PC, DA and CD with resistance R, S, RCM into L, RCM into 100 minus L respectively forms a Wheatstone bridge with AC connected with a battery and BD with galvanometer. In closed circuit state, with jockey at any arbitrary point on wire, galvanometer shows some reading. Moving jockey on wire, we try to find a point where galvanometer shows no current, that is, Ig equals to 0. This is a balanced condition. Let the point on wire for which Ig equals to 0 is at distance L1 from A, that is, balanced point is L1 distance from A. Therefore, resistance in balanced bridge are R, S, RCM into L1 and RCM into bracket 100 minus L1. In balanced condition, we have the relation of Wheatstone bridge given as R by S equals to RCM into L1 upon RCM into bracket 100 minus L1. Therefore, R by S equals to L1 by 100 minus L1. Therefore, R equal to S into bracket L1 upon 100 minus L1. For known value of S, it is possible to find unknown resistance R. We can put different resistance in place of S and calculate R. Remember, an error in length L1 leads to an error in R. The percentage error can be minimized by adjusting the balance point near about 50 cm.